players are now media objects themselves. With Stickybits, what we're trying to do is turn physical objects into media by using barcodes. And Billy's going to show you how we do that.
Yes. So, what sucks about the physical world? Yeah, exactly. It exists. It's not digital enough. So, what we're here to do is make it more digital. And exactly what Seth is saying, we attach digital content to real-world barcodes. And we sell little sticker packs if you have them. We also brought 150 of them to give out. And
$10 retail value, free tonight for the first 150.
Yep, so come find us. We were actually going to go chuck them around, but we didn't want to hit anybody in the head, that kind of thing. So, since this is kind of a small screen, I'll show you on the simulator. And what you can do with Stickybits is when you scan a barcode, what actually happens, we'll go to some of the more popular ones this week. All of a sudden, you'll see all of the content that's attached to it. And this is a read-write kind of platform, so you can add any content you want. And I think what this was, if we click on the location here, is somewhere in upstate New York, they had a conference and they put a Stickybit on the actual packs.
So Stickybit is just a barcode. It's a unique ID. It can be a sticker from one of these packs. You can go to our website, you can print out barcodes, or it can be a barcode on a Coca-Cola can.
And you can attach any, we support all types of media, so if you click on a video that's something attached, this video will start playing. And I wish Sprint was one of my sponsors because this is made possible by Sprint right now, since the Wi-Fi is slow. And so when you're done with that, you can then go back to all the bits, and you can, we call the content that's added bits. And you can basically add anything you want. You can do things like attaching your resume to your business card, and you put a little barcode on the back of your business card. One of the cooler examples.
You hand out your business card, it has a unique ID on it. Someone gets it, they download the app, they scan your business card, and that pops a PDF of your resume.
And you can basically attach anything, photos of people. One really cool thing that we did was we handed out, we launched South by Southwest. We handed out 12,000 sticker packs along with postcards. And on those postcards, we told you to put a Stickybit and record a video and send it to somebody. And then when that person got that postcard and scanned it, they saw the video play back. And the person who sent the postcard then got a notification of not only that it was scanned, but the actual location that it was scanned at. So if we go to some of the even more popular ones, which on our homepage, we have a barcode right here on the lower right. And I believe that's one of the all-time most popular barcodes.
Médicament B1, Président.
I was the first one to scan that. You'll see the picture. Right now, the way it works is the person that adds the content first to the code shows up first, and then there's a sequence of other people that have attached content to that code.
And so you get these like communities that just surface around barcodes, and actually we were very
It's like
surprised.
social networks around objects, like threaded conversations.
We were very surprised in not only people were using our unique barcodes, but they were using barcodes that exist all around us. And on the Coke can that you're holding or cereal box, people have been attaching content to them. And it can really be anything. And so if we actually go back there as well, we have the locations of where that was scanned. These are all the locations around the world that scan this actual code that's on our front page.
Bah, Paris, c'est moi.
We also have a map of all the popular barcodes around the world. Because it's a demo, it went to Apple and
Thanks for everything.
But since we're close by, we'll just go to San Francisco. And you can then see all these bits, all these barcodes will start dropping in. And this is kind of happening all around the world. People are attaching content to barcodes.
But the same way when Twitter came out, you can see like tweets all over the world. What you're seeing here, these are people attaching content to physical objects. If you kind of mouse over one of these push pins, you'll see what the object was. A laptop,
Gate 30. So people have been doing things like creating scavenger hunts, putting them on airplanes, so when you scan them, people will see something. I put one in my hotel room, I put one on the back of the TV, and I offered a prize if you can find it.
What's the most creative thing that anybody's ever done?
One of the cooler ones actually was somebody wanted to do the where's George, where they wanted to track where an actual dollar bill went around the U.S. So you can actually do that with a Stickybits. Somebody put it on a dollar bill and is watching where it gets tracked and where it's getting scanned, and then you can even take pictures of what you're buying with it or whatever else you'd like to do.
So if you imagine your web manager, you now know all these people have actually touched your product. They physically interact with your product. You kind of get a sense of who they are. You can communicate with them. You can offer them, value-added content. You really build a community, not on some fan page, not on a Twitter account, but actually by getting them to hold the product in their hands.
The last thing I'd like to mention is that we're hiring. I know everyone's hiring here, but we're looking for awesome Python developers and mobile developers, iPhone developers, and Android developers. So talk to me about that if you'd like, and also obviously to get stickers.
Great. Thanks so much, guys.